guys? Welcome back to my channel, Braylon's Universe. Luckily you dropped back by, but if you're new to this channel, my name's Braylon and this is my universe. Before we begin, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. At the end, I mean, how you know if you like it if you didn't watch it. And click that subscribe button to see more of this face. And click that bell to be first notified of my giveaways and everything else. You're gonna love it. Anyway, today is the second video of my series, Selling or Buying. And today I bought something off of Mercari, a GoPro-like camera, and we're gonna see if it works and if it's the good quality. So we're gonna start. Okay, before we start, I got this from a person off of Mercari. I'm gonna put their name right here because at the moment I forgot. It's gonna be here. Anyway, and click the link in the description if you want to buy from them, and click the link in the description if you want to buy from me, because I mean, yay, buy from me. Amazing, right? Okay, we're gonna move on with the video. So we got the package right here, and this is how it's wrapped. First impressions, they recycled the package. Don't really judge them. And it came a little late too, so that's gonna be in my rating too. How it came, a little late, shipped out a week after I ordered. Okay, pause. What the fuck? I'm glad I caught this on video. Do y'all see that this is open? And I'm gonna, okay, right here, I'm gonna put what the item description says. Okay, it's open. So yeah, it has a 2-inch screen. Wow. It comes in different colors. Full 1080p pixels, I guess. Okay, we got a waterproof case, a clip, a mount, a couple of mounts that's supposed to be in here, so. Okay, it looks like everything's still in here. I guess these are like the strap clips, piece of mount, another piece of mount, another mount, a charger. Charger. Okay, so obviously this mount was open. Look at it. There's this mount. Pause. Pause again.
Bad feeling about this.
Okay, take a look at this. Original packaging, right? This is a Ziploc bag. This is a whole Ziploc bag. So we have also our instruction manual about the mounts, pamphlets, sports camera. Okay, now it's the actual fun part, the camera. Look at this bad boy. I know you see it. Waterproof casing. All right, we're gonna see if we can get this on. Okay, maybe if I do this. Let me get it out first.
2,000 years later.
Sorry that took a while. It was a very complicated structure. Okay, this is the waterproof casing. Looks really nice. This is the actual camera. 2-inch screen. So we're gonna try to cut it on, and as you see, it's not working. So we're gonna try putting on the charger, the charger hole over there.
So guys, we got the charger here. Just gonna plug it up like that. Then put the USB in.
And then on, it doesn't have a card, but look at that scale and graphics. It's charging, and I will show you how to properly display it later, probably in another video. But okay. So obviously it works, and it's in good standing condition. I mean, wow, that's a beautiful camera. I mean, I was going crazy about it. And it comes with a waterproof housing. So great for the pool. You'll see a lot of use out of that. A bike helmet mount, another mount. And I will see what all these mounts are for when I look back in the instruction manual, because that's really helpful as well. We have some mounts, mount pieces, and bandages. That's what it's called, bandages. So, moment, hold up. The moment we've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. The rating. So, I give this a full flash 5 stars for product quality. Packaging, however, let's say 4.5. 4.5. And solely because the box was pre-opened, and they used a Amazon mailer, so that's on that part. And also shipping time. They shipped a week after I have already purchased it, which is kind of, why would you do that? Mercari allows 3 days and they took a week. But I mean, product quality, that's a great quality. I mean, that's a great quality. And if you hear noise in the background, please ignore that. Please ignore that. So that's for my reading. And check out the end. So guys, thanks for watching. This was a GoPro-like sports camera. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, and to check out the series of me buying and selling. Click the playlist and you'll see all of these videos that are similar. Next time on Braylon's Universe.